All right, here we are, step 2 now. So step 2 in this problem, after you've identified what you're trying to find and what you're starting with, the first thing we got to do is we have to look here and we got to turn this into moles. So step 2, number 2, turn to moles. All right, to do that, we have to go back to our original mole triangle that we were working with a while ago when we were talking about solutions. All right, we need to find the moles. Now, moles is essentially the quantity, the number of this substance that we're working with. So if you look at your little pyramid, we had up here, we have our mass. Over here, we had our moles. And here we had our molar mass. Okay, so if I'm going to take this is 0.73 grams. Grams is a unit of mass. So I have this. I need to turn it to moles, so I need to get there. So mathematically, to find my moles, I need to take my mass and divide it by my molar mass. Now I know it's been a while since we've done this, so I want to walk you through how you find your molar mass again. All right? To find your molar mass of any substance, you have to use your periodic table. And not only to use your periodic table, you have to use the masses of the elements on the periodic table. Be careful not to accidentally use your atomic number, which is your number of protons. We need the mass. That's the bigger number. Okay? Feel free to round a little bit, usually to like the tenths place. That usually works out okay. I'm going to flip to my work here so I don't have to look at the periodic table again. So here we go. So if you're looking at this one, to find the molar mass of that substance, we notice we have nickel. We have one of them, one nickel atom. Nitrate, or nitrogen, sorry. We actually have 2 nitrogen atoms. Remember that 2 on the outside of the parentheses means you multiply, you distribute inward. It means you have 2 NO3 groups. So that gives me 2 N atoms, and it gives me oxygen. We actually have 6 of those. Okay, we have 6 of those. So then you're going to multiply that number by your masses from the periodic table. All right, nickel is 58.7. Nitrogen is 14. Oxygen is 16. When you multiply that all out, I got 96 there, I got 28 there, and I have 58.7 here. Add all those together, I got 182.7 grams per mole. That is my molar mass of this substance. Okay? Once I have my molar mass, and I already have my mass and molar mass, I just divide them. So I'm going to take my 0.73 grams divided by my 182.7 grams per mole, and that's going to give me a whopping 0.004 moles. And this is my number of moles of NiNO3. That is step 2. Find your moles. Be right back.